In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve equations used with multiple variables. And I'm going to start with 5x plus 4 equals 2x minus 8. And I'm going to, once again, go back to my old scale drawing. I'm going to say that these are all my x's. So as you can see, I have 5 x's, and I have 4. And here's my balance, and that's my equal sign. So equals, I have 2 x's over here. And I'm going to show a negative 8 by using red dots. Oh, that's not true apparently. Let's try that again. By using 8 red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll just put 7, 8. So I have 8 red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. So the first thing I want to do is I want to get rid of, I have x's on both sides, so I'm going to try to get rid of excess x's. So if I get rid of these two, well, if I get rid of one there, I have to get rid of one here. If I get rid of another one here, I have to get rid of another one here. So what did I just do? I took away 2 x's from both sides. And you'll notice that my balance should remain equal, and it does, because I just got rid of 2 things that were the same on both sides. So I'm going to bring down my positive 4, I'm going to bring down my negative 8, but what is 5x minus 2x? I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 3x. Equal to, 3x plus 4 I should say, equal to, well, 2x minus 2x is 0, there's no more x's on my left hand side. If I do have a negative 8, I still have 8 left over there. Well, now all my x's are on one side, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of these positive 4's. And so, in order to get rid of a positive, I have to add a negative. So I'm going to end up adding 4 negatives to that side. But I already have a bunch of negatives, so I can just add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more negatives. So I have negative 4 equal to negative 4. I subtract both. Bring down my 3x equals to a negative 12. And take a look what I have. These dots will go away because it was a positive and a negative, but I'm actually left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and once again I have 3 x's equal to 12, so I need to break those 12 into groups of 3, and that's not so bad. Take a look. I can break them into 3 equal groups by dividing them up into groups of 4, but they're 4 negatives. So each x is going to be equal to negative 4. 1x equals negative 4. And that's it. And take a look at this. 5 times a negative 4 plus 4. And we want to know, does that equal 2 times the negative 4 minus 8? Well, 5 times the negative 4 is negative 20 plus 4. And does that equal a negative 8 minus 8? Negative 20 plus 4 is a negative 16. Negative 8 minus 8 is negative 16. So voila, it works. And that's it. That's solving solving equations with multiple variables. I'm going to review quickly. I moved the smaller x over by subtracting, or I should say adding the opposite. It was positive, so I added negatives to both sides. I'm left with this. Now I need to get my x by itself, so I get rid of this constant by adding its opposite, which was positive 4, so its opposite is a negative 4. I add a negative 4 to both sides. I'm now left with this and this, so in order to take care of that, I divide them both by 3, and I get 1x equals negative 4.